Every day you do 30. You do 30. These are 30 surveys. 30 surveys. Each survey, suppose the list is $1. That is $1 per each survey. So meaning that 30 surveys times $1, this goes to $30 per day. And $30 per day, you are in position to do more than 30 surveys. You can go ahead and make 40, 60, depending on how much you want to earn per month. So let's come now to this. Yes, you can earn $1,000 at the comfort of your home with this app that I'm going to let you know today. Which one is this app today we are talking about? We are talking about Atapol. It's called Atapol app. Atapol app is O-L-L. Atapol app is found on Android. It is found on iPhone, and you can also find it on your PC. From wherever you are, it was not in Africa, but now it has gone up to Africa. Recently, for now 2 months, it is in Africa. For you who is in UK, you're in US, you're in Dubai, you're in United Arab Emirates, please get your seat and make this money. I know some of us, we don't believe much in free things. This is not free per se, because it needs your dedication, it needs your focus, and it needs your target. If you don't have a target of $1,000, you have a target of $15, that's what you're going to get. But for me, with my land and go-getter audience that I know that I have, that's why I'm bringing for you a calculation of $1,000 per month. Before we go any further, you guys, I want to thank you for having supported Immaculate Show. Immaculate Show is a project, it is an organization, it is a collective force of individuals whereby they say we hate poverty. And they know it's not about the money that is in your bank account, it's about your mindset, and it's about not seeing very far. You can see from within you and around you. Do you have a phone? Yes. You're watching us. Do you have internet or you have data? If you have those two things, you're in position not to beg for grocery. You're in position to help someone out there and also change their mindset. We decided to give you a net to fish, to open up to opportunities that are there, than giving you the fish. Have you ever wondered seeing people throwing and bashing money? If you're on salary, you can never give out money. But if you do what we tell you, you'll surely give out money freely. You guys, let's come back to this app that is so amazing, asking, where do they benefit from? You know, do you remember that company that was hiring surveyors? Do you remember that company that was hiring research assistants? So this is now the simplest and decentralized way. You can do research for a company from your phone and from where you are. That's why they encourage you, and their technology is superb. Be transparent, try as much as you can, and give them the proper information that they want. How do they benefit? They bring in their products, they bring in their services. They want to see what exactly is out there. How do people take our products? How do people take our services? And in giving them the information, in giving them the feedback, they can change, they can upgrade. So let's go dive in and see exactly how you're going to start this Atapol app, how you're going to start the surveys, and where will you benefit from. First and foremost, I'm going to take you like in 4 stages of this video. This video 1, we are going to see how we're going to access the surveys. 2, what to do next, and 3, how to expand and make sure that we get our $1,000 monthly without any hassle. That's why we call it is a free app. If they ask you anything, money for you to download it, please run away. So first, you get to know that you have to download you can delete your app, your account at any time when you feel you don't want it. So what do they need on your signing up, on your registration? They need your email, they need your name, they need things concerning you and around you. Then the second stage, you have to make sure you set up your account. How do you set up your account? You're going to set up your account by going, and if you want to put your profile picture, whatever they will ask you, verification, you put them there. And don't forget, you will also be requested to put the method of payment that we're going to come to next in the next step. Then the third one, the moment you set up your account like that, you are ready to receive surveys. But before you reach the stage of receiving surveys, I would love to really, should I call it, to advise you that when you're setting up your account, for you to access these surveys, mostly don't be there and you put yourself so low. Make sure you put yourself a bit high, because these are the companies. For example, if you're staying in United Arab Emirates, you're staying in UK, you're not going to deal with the smaller company. The people who are putting their surveys are the people of integrity, talk less, the people of high class. So now if you come and say that you're low, you might be denied, or you might not access enough surveys. And most people have been complaining of that after registration of some apps. They say, but me, I'm not accessing. So from now, get to know that your registration matters a lot. So the moment you finish your registration and you know, I'm superb, I'm ready to go, make sure you start your surveys. When you start your surveys, you can see like the one I started with, I got some $0.03. You start your surveys, make sure you finish them. That is another trick for you to continue getting the surveys. Because the more you reach in the mid and stop there, the more they might deny you these surveys. But most people are there waiting for the surveys. So the surveys, sometimes they become scarce. Make sure you finish them. And make sure you come regularly and check in your email or check on your account to see, really, do we have the surveys there? What else do I want to tell you? I want to tell you that you can earn more than that apart from doing surveys. As a social media entrepreneur, I came to learn we use what we have. There is a system of referral. If you want to earn more, like the way I was told, by the way, I didn't know it. Someone told me about it after cashing out. So I also used someone's code to cash out. Now, before you even go, you'll go to the comment section and see my code. If you want to try it, you want to do it, please use my code. So the moment you use my code, it means on your the day you're going to cash out, I'll get 10% of your earnings. They're not going to cut it from yours, but the company or the app responsible people are going to give me 10%. If you got $1,000 you're cashing out, they will give me 10% of $1,000. Not from you, but from where it is supposed to come from. So having known that, it means you have to know, you have to get enough knowledge. It is like a referral. If you're referring somebody, you know that if she works well, you are going to gain. So you have to teach them. You have to make sure, you have to encourage them. This calls for you. Make sure that you come every day. You announce it. Suppose 10 people join every day in a month. Those are 300 people. That is so much. 300 people. And if you train these people, you motivate them, 300 people, they happen to get their money. Even if each of them get $50 plus your $1,000, you're going to be comfortable. Let's go now and see exactly. We recap and we see how can I access this money, because most of people say, no, it is hard for me. This money, you're going to access it in two ways. One, it is PayPal. Two, it is gift cards. There is another one, but I recommend you to use PayPal. PayPal, everybody, if you don't have PayPal and in Africa, you can, you're in African countries and Asia, whereby you find PayPal is very hard to get, or it is banned. You can go on social media platform handles like YouTube and put there, how do I access? How do I get a PayPal account when I'm in Africa? You can use VPN and access, start using PayPal. So you put PayPal. There is something I wanted to tell you that is so special and how it is beneficial and very good for you. This Atapol, you can withdraw at $3. And at $3, imagine how long does it take? You need only 3 surveys. If you check these 3 surveys, there's of $1, there's of $2, there's of $3. So it will depend on you. You can withdraw on a daily basis. Behold, why is this so much beautiful, and I encourage you to participate in it? Its money is so fast. It's easier for you because within around 2 to 3 hours, you are in position to make $3. So what are you saying? You guys, go ahead. When I felt it, when I touched it, when I got it, I was like, no, let me bring it for you. It is free of charge. No one is going to tell you pay for this app. Just go to your browser and download it. Do it. I have seen a lot of testimonies. Remember, it is not a scam. It is legit. No one is asking you for money. So thank you very much. Please don't forget to watch our previous video about the grant. Grants are still moving on, and it is a 365 days grant. So you can participate on it also. Love you.